Steps. Bam.
Kuphelele sanje.
Yeah.
Or kumele ngibuye futhi.
Ubuyele for in.
No ngiyabuza ukuphelele na.
Hayi. Now we're moving to the curries. Siyababa curries. You're gonna taste the Durban curry in Mamelodi.
Oh yeah. We can't wait. Curry Sundays. So how long will the Curry Sundays be happening? Like frequently or every Sunday?
Okwamanje sisayenza every 2 weeks, every second Sunday. But sizobona i-outcome yabantu ukuthi baresponda kanjani. Then we shall give what the people want, what they want. Abafuna more, sayenza every Sunday.
Okay. Why Sunday?
Sunday, ngibona ukuthi isona isikhathi la ufuna khona home cooked meal yabona.
Yeah.
And Saturday abantu basobehambile ama-event wabo. So ngiyazi ukuthi after Sunday you get a nice warm curry ezokhipha nepapalazi yabona.
Yeah, I know. Why choose Durban curry? Why that specific flavor? What?
I've always been ngizalwe Durban.
Oh yeah.
And I've always been in love with the Durban flavor. So ngibonile ukuthi eMamelodi abayazi curry yaseThekwini. Ngathi ngabona opportunity ngathi ithi ngifake bayizwe ukuthi injani curry yaseThekwini.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
While Terence is busy decadeking with the hot sauce, I'll give you the overall experience of the Siyababa Curry Sundays. First of all, the place is booming with Sunday session music. Terence went for the chicken curry. The damage was 65 rand. I went for the lamb curry. The damage was 75 rand. So this means I won the dish of the day contest.
I should have ordered lamb, not chicken.
Usia has proven himself as a sauce maker, and yeah, he's a mean cook too. The curry had that beautiful golden look, and the flavors were tasty and rich. And from that interview earlier, Siya was right. Siyababa Curry Sundays are about chilling and nursing that babalas. The place is vibrant, the service is great, you can get your food delivered to your doorstep. I think Itransi yako can get a wash while you wait for the food. I think Siya has an amazing team with him, and with your support, I'm sure Siyababa Curry Sundays can grow from strength to strength. Yeah, just don't look at the date of that poster. Life has been happening. More about that on the next episode.
Oh, yes, present. Yes, present, ma'am.
But business is still happening. As you can see, he had another one in April, and surely there's another one coming up in May. Make sure that you follow Siyababa Sauce on Instagram for latest updates. And if you want to place an order for the Siyababa hot sauce.
Got hot sauce in my bag. Swag.
Ikasi Palate ntwana yami sithanda ukudla.